I'd show you my 2020 790 KTM Adventure R. There it is in all her glory. Now it's not exactly put together, but I am installing a few components, one of which are these new signal lights, and I have yet to add the resistor which is required for proper functioning of the LEDs, because I'm transferring from incandescent lights. And I've also added them on the front. I've had to take off the headlight in order to gain access to the signal light connections, and I want to gain access to these accessory connections. And in the next few days, I'm going to install this power distribution hub from Denali, and these D4 lights from Denali. Put those in the front, and I'm going to do a review of the pack top mold in the next few days, and a review of the rear plate that I've exchanged for the OEM plate. And I'll be doing all that in the next few days, so stay tuned. Bye for now.